Hey, what is up, intelligent people? In today's video, we're going to be talking about how much money, right here, how much money do you need invested in ETF or something that brings you some interest a year, okay, to make $30 per day passively, okay? This is just a quick little number, okay, $30 per day to make passively, which is a pretty good deal. I mean, I'm not even gonna lie. But first of all, look, I will be explaining everything, like tutorial, what do you need to do, from start to finish, okay, and like make sure to go subscribe. Click the subscribe button right now. Is because I'm logged in. I cannot subscribe, but make sure to go subscribe right now, and let's just keep on going, okay. First of all, I made a plan, okay? I made a plan about it, about how to make. First of all, I will be talking about right here, okay? So in this video, we're going to be investing in VOO, okay? VOO or in Vanguard S&P 500 ATF. Why is that? Because um, if we want to make like $30 per day, the first thing is first, we are going to be we are going to be needing to be to have the number will be. I will just put it right here, bro. We will need right around $100,000. You know, right now a lot of the people are gonna be like, "Oh, $100, $100,000. It's a big ass money, okay?" And I know, but I came up with a growth plan. Okay, you don't have to put like 100,000 right in. Okay, I made a plan, and but first of all, why did I pick VOO? Because VOO has been just giving us a great returns overall. Okay, as you can see, the quarter and average annual total return as of the 30th of June 2021, 14%, 14%, 12%, 13%. So overall, like on average, this gives you like, let's just say 12% on average, okay? And what did I do? Um, I said that the starting money we are going to be having $0 in it. All you need to do is just invest like 6 years of your life. I know it's a pretty big ass time, okay, long ass time, but the additional contributions that you're going to be doing to do is just to put like right around $1,100 per month. Okay, it's a pretty like big ass amount of money, but I know if you want to be wealthy, like that's it. That's what you got to do. Okay, and like of course, like you can also put like let's just say $1,000. Okay, I hope that you can see that, and we have on that like compound annually right around 12%. Okay, which is a pretty good number. But first of all, let's go with 10%. For example, if you're investing in Boo, even though it's bringing like 12% average on year, okay, let's just say 10, then we're going to be calculating it with 12%. So if you go and click on calculate right now, as you can see, in the last okay in the sixth year at the end of the year we're going to be having $97,529. Okay, so for example, if you want to do that, let me just do some quick math right here. Let me just copy that thing up. Okay, so that plus a year that we had was like right around 10% if you're investing in VU. Okay, so now we're adding more on that. um let's just say I cannot find the okay plus 97,000. Okay, $97,000. Here we have 529 plus that 10% will be right around 1,000 kg per minute plus 10% will be equivalent to 107k. Okay, 107k. But first of all, I need to okay, 107 $281. Okay, that then brings us of the profits are be like right around 97,529. So the profits will be right around 9,752. Okay, now 9,052. Okay, so this is the number that we're going to be getting kind of on average on the year. Okay, but this is just from the on the last 6 year. So we have this is for the year. So if you want to kind of look at what are we going to be doing daily, we're just going to be dividing that by 365, of course, because that's how much days we have in a year. I know every fourth year there's going to be 366, but I think you get the point right now. Okay, so that will be equivalent to right around um $26. Okay, It's $26. It's still not 30, but it's just close. Okay, it's $26. That's why I said that here we're gonna be also like calculating this with 12% interest. Okay, so if we just calculate it with 12% interest, we're gonna be having 103. Okay, so this is a pretty good number too. So let's just say we have $103,000, 103K. That will be equivalent to right around. Let me just calculate this for right now. 103,602 plus. Let's just say again here we have 12% because you're going to be investing in Vanguard. Okay, in Vanguard S&P 500. So plus 10, 12%. You're going to be having 116K right here at the end of the year, of course. 116K 034. Okay, that is that. Then the profit right here that you're going to be having here will be right around minus 100, 103,602, $12,000. Okay, that's 12,432. Of course, dollars. Keep forgetting to add the symbol right here, and that will be equivalent to right around $34 a day. Okay, let's just say yeah, you have $34 per day. Actually, so I know that like that right now it makes sense. I mean, I hope it makes sense right now. But how we get up with this? Okay, first of all, what we did is we actually started investing. So if we want to get that money, we started investing for the first six years. Okay, this is my plan. We started investing for the 6 years, and then we had a compound interest on $1,000 per month of around 12% compound annually. Okay, which is pretty like reasonable. We also did with 10%, but also at the end we're going to be having 103K. Okay, so right now if you want to keep adding that, it will be a great idea to keep adding this more. So if you want to continue that kind of trend, we could be maybe continue investing for the next 20, not 200, bro, for the 20 to 30 years. Let's say 30 years, and you're going to be having a lot of money. Okay, at the end we're going to be having right around 3 million if you invest for 30 years, like right around $1,000 per month. You're going to be having 3 million. But considering the the inflation, all other stuff, this will not be the same 3 million that they are right now at the moment. Okay, so I know, I hope it makes sense. But we are right here investing for the 6 years, as I said, for the 6 years, and then at the end we have 103K. So what do we need to do with this 103K? So we're still going to be investing into okay, we're going to be investing this money into Vanguard as we already did. Okay, so if you want to make $30 per day, you're going to be needing to make on $100 okay, as we did. You're going to be needing to make 100 above around $100,000, as we see here. We got 103. Okay, I hope that I can change the color only on this. Oh no, I cannot. Okay, but screw it. Like, let's make it yellow. So we need to make like what around like $100, $100,000. Okay, and on that, if you have interest rate around 12%, it will be like 12,000 or something like that. So you could be making $34 a day. I know it kind of sounds like complicating. I could have just done this, but I hope that right now it makes sense. And like you can invest in Vanguard. Okay, for from Binance too. No, not from Binance. Excuse me, from eToro. You can invest into S&P or VU, even though from Vanguard, the Vanguard website. So you can invest in, if you're investing in VU, you could be investing from this website. I mean, of course, this is where you can get it. You can invest in IRAs, ATS for all 401k plans and all the other stuff. So yeah, it's a pretty good thing if you want to make $34 a day passively. But I think that you're not going to be kind of cashing them out. I mean, if you want, it's okay, but this is how you make $34 a day passively. Okay, so that's about it. You will need $100,000 at the start, but yeah, so that's what comes in play with if you want to day trade stocks and all the other stuff. Okay, I know, I hope it makes sense. But yeah, even though like for the, if you just calculate this from January right here, let's go to the daily chart. Okay, let me just kind of find the year right now. 2021. Okay, so at the start of this year, you have me sitting right around 335k, $335. Okay, top on that. And to right around now, we are around up 20%. Okay, so this has a pretty good potential, and it's still 11th of August. We still have 4 more months to go. If we kind of continue their rate, I think like 30% of for the year will be good for the end of the year. But yeah, these are some pretty huge ass numbers. Okay, so I hope that it makes sense. This is how you can like grow your wealth to beat the inflation, all the other stuff. So peace out, guys. Have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.